Hi, I'm Brittany Montez, and this is the Orlando Health News Review for February 24th. The first patients to receive bone marrow transplants at Orlando Health Cancer Institute recently rang the bell to mark a very special occasion for both women in their cancer journey and for Orlando Health's 100-year history of taking care of the residents of Central Florida.
This is home. I had basically all my chemos, everything here at Orlando Health, whether it was this location or the Lake Mary one. So everybody here is family.
I saw the bell hanging there and I thought, I wonder what that's for. And then I realized what it was for. And I thought, oh, look forward to the day when I can ring that myself. So today's the day then.
The transplants for both patients were led by our recently hired medical director of the Orlando Health Cancer Institute Bone Marrow Transplant and Cellular Therapy Program.
We need to work hard for this. It's not an easy goal, but with providing cutting-edge therapy and cutting-edge treatment, we definitely can achieve that. And immune therapy in general, including transplant, which is the original immune therapy, is key for curing cancer.
Also recently, Dr. Charles Hunley was recognized as one of Central Florida's hometown heroes at a local basketball game.
Ladies and gentlemen, please stand and help the Magic at L3 Harris recognize Lieutenant Colonel Charles Hunley.
Thank you for your medical and military service, Dr. Hunley. And Orlando Health facilities, including hospitals, ambulatory centers, and physician practices, will be transitioning to a new self-screening process for COVID-19. We talked to Dr. Rawls to find out more.
Keeping our healthcare settings safe is really, really important, and screening is part of that. We know that people come into our healthcare settings that can sometimes be at risk of spreading COVID, and we need to make sure there's a way to stop that. In the past, we used to use things like temperature screening, and over time we've learned that's not necessarily the best way to do it. Not everybody that is at risk of spreading COVID has a temperature, and folks might think that that's the way you tell. It's take the temperature, and if there's no temperature, you're good to go. Well, we want to change to a much more self-screening process where people are asking themselves the questions that present risk. And if they see a question that applies to them that presents risk, that they would stop and not come in.
And Orlando Health St. Cloud Hospital celebrated Rodeo Day by providing team members with a special lunch. Rodeo Day is a celebration in honor of Osceola County's rich history.
So this is bringing team members together. It's engaging team members and showing our appreciation. This is actually the first time we've ever celebrated a Rodeo Day here at St. Cloud Hospital. So I think that's something that Orlando Health has brought, that they want to kind of honor the culture of Osceola County and, sort of celebrate our small town feel and involve our team members and engage them in that way. So I love that.
And Scripps Pharmacy at Bayfront Health St. Petersburg opened this week, and a ribbon cutting ceremony took place where team members were able to meet on-site pharmacy team members and hospital leaders. And here's this week's patient comment as a reminder of the great care that is being provided across our entire organization.
To the incredible staff at South Seminole Hospital, I have never seen a team such as yours rise to the occasion. From the moment I walked through the emergency room door until we left, I saw a team with a single mission: to serve all with grace, caring, and respect. I could tell that every employee enjoyed being there, and I saw mutual admiration for each other. I witnessed everyone watching out for the welfare of every single patient. Even with a visit from the governor occurring, you and the team never wavered on delivering quality care for all. My husband and mother-in-law received exceptional care in the delivery of their COVID vaccine, and they couldn't be more thankful. I'm honored to know that you all and are thrilled that you are in our community to deliver quality medical care for all. Thank you for everything that you all are doing each and every day. Well, thank you to our team members. Thanks for all that you guys are doing every single day to impact our communities so much. Thank you.
Well, that's it for today's edition of the Orlando Health News Review. See you next week.